Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Fit wheel bearing. First, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Remove the wheel and tire assembly. Next, you'll need to detach the brake caliper and rotor, carefully hanging the caliper to avoid stressing the brake line. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth repair. Now let's get to removing the old bearing. Start by taking off the large axle nut, often a 32 mm size. Then, disconnect the lower ball joint and the tie rod end to give you enough room to work. You might need a specialized tool, like a slide hammer or a hydraulic press, to safely remove the old bearing from the knuckle. Take your time with these steps. With the old bearing out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the knuckle thoroughly to ensure a proper fit. Carefully press the new wheel bearing into the knuckle using a bearing press tool. Once seated, reattach the brake rotor, caliper, and the axle nut. Make sure to tighten all bolts to their manufacturer-specified torque settings for safety and longevity. Before you're done, perform a final inspection. Double-check every bolt and nut you touched, ensuring they are all torqued to specification. Lower the vehicle and take it for a short test drive, listening for any unusual noises and confirming smooth handling. This ensures your new wheel bearing is installed correctly and safely. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.